Alright, so I'm back, and this is a review on the Lord's Test match, which just happened, and India lost by 22 runs. It is so hard to take. I'm very disappointed. Not in the team, but just in the outcome of the game. It is hard one to take. We came very close. Great fight. Very proud. That was a really courageous effort in the end by Jadeja. Respect. And equally by Bumrah and Siraj. It was just the last ball, the way it ended, it has just broken me to pieces. He actually defended the ball pretty well, and it just clipped the bail on the way back. It just kissed the stump. So yeah, very sad end to the whole test match if you are an Indian fan. But yeah, taking nothing away from England, they have been the better team over the course of the whole test match, over the course of what 10 was 15 sessions. But yeah, in the end they came back and we couldn't make 193 runs, which is not a bad ask. Ugh. Okay, so let's get into the breakdown of this game. We lost the toss. We were asked to bowl first. England started off with a very good start. They made 387 runs. Roots scoring a century. Everyone contributing bits and pieces here and there to get that to the total, which was 387, which was mashed by India to the run. And the players which shined were KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant. And then after that, we England came in. We got them out really early to 193, and that was it. India was asked to chase 193, and we couldn't. So that was more or less the outcome in terms of facts. Now my evaluation on this game was, starting off with that I'm getting straight into that run out, which is Rishabh Pant. The Rishabh Pant. So situation is India is on the top. India is just thriving. We're just dominating the test match. We are just in this is the first innings. हम उनको रगड़ रहे हैं, घिस रहे हैं. लंदन में धूप पड़ रही है जो कि वैसे पड़ती नहीं है. पांचों के पांचों दिन हमें खेलने को मौका मिल रहा है और हम मतलब we are on the top. We are just demolishing them left, right and center. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ascendancy में है. हम कंट्रोल कर लिया है पूरा गेम. केएल राहुल और ऋषभ पंत बहुत ही अच्छी पार्टनरशिप बना चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम लीड लेंगे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स, पर नहीं. दिस इज अ ये पूरी सब चीज़ें चेंज हो गई एक थॉट की वजह से. ये थॉट था ऋषभ पंत का कि भाई केएल राहुल लंच अच्छे से कर पाएगा, उसकी वजह से मैं उसको लास्ट ओवर में स्ट्राइक दे देता हूँ ताकि वो 97 से अपनी सेंचुरी बना ले चौका मार के, और फिर वो अच्छे से खाना खाएगा लंच में. ऋषभ पंत खुद रन आउट हो गया भाई. अब खुद अच्छे से खाना खाने को मिल गया है उनको. फिर उसके बाद जब केएल राहुल वापस आए तो जैसे ही सेंचुरी हुई, सड़ा सा शॉट खेल के out. But I'm not taking anything away from KL Rahul. He scored a century at Lord's, so his name will be on the board somewhere, which he will go and see and make sure that it is there. पर बात वो नहीं है, हम वहाँ पे एकदम डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं। स्टोक्स के एक रन आउट की वजह से पूरी चीज़ सारी चीज़ चेंज हो गई। हमारी जो 80-90 रन की लीड थी वो कैंसिल होके एकदम ज़ीरो हो चुकी है, और आउटकम काफ़ी नेक एंड नेक होने के चांसेस बन गए हैं। फिर भी इंडिया कमबैक करती है, बॉलिंग अच्छी करती है। वॉशिंगटन सुंदर 4 विकेट लेके, पहली बार, मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं था, मेरे हिसाब से वो बैट्समैन है, और उसने 4 विकेट ले लिया। दैट इज़ अ बोनस फॉर अस। एंड yeah, we stopped England at the fourth day at 193 runs. That is a huge. And all you have to do is just chase that total and you win at Lord's, the most iconic stadium. And what did we do? We couldn't do that. Yeah, we couldn't chase it, so that's why we lost. और इसकी वजह से पूरा मूड ही खरखरा हो गया है। ओह, बट पॉजिटिव्स ये है कि मेरे हिसाब से इंडिया ने कोई सिग्निफिकेंट गलती नहीं करी है। इंडिया इज ओवरऑल, इन माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन, इज अ बेटर टीम. Me personally speaking, out, this is the assessment which I'm basing on 15 days of cricket. And just in certain moments, जहाँ पर बहुत ज़रूरी था अच्छा खेलना, वहाँ पे इंग्लैंड अच्छा खेल के जीत गई. But it is what it is. This whole series is like 2-1 to England, which is a huge advantage, but this is far from over. And I believe that India can still come back, and it is the hope which kills you. Yeah, what can you do? I'm dejected. Okay, so I have to say Ben Stokes, he was the man of the match, and rightfully so, because वो रन आउट की वजह से, प्लस 8-8, 9-9 ओवर के स्पेल्स, 140 के अराउंड बॉल डालना इतनी देर, it's incredible. फिर Jofra Archer was a comeback story for England. After 4.5 years, he's back in cricket and playing very well. He started the day with Rishabh Pant's wicket, which was like back-flipping for quite a bit. But that is it. What else positives can I take? So Washington Sundar is contributing with the ball as well. The tail, which was lacking in the first test, that has been rectified. The second and third test, tail is the one which is supporting us till the end. So we don't have to change anything. We just need to play, and sometimes a result can go in your favor, and sometimes not. This is sport. We take it and we move and try better next time, in the hope that we win. So yeah, I'm not fully done with this series, and hopefully we just turn it around. Let's see, देखते हैं क्या होता है. हमारे players को just we need to do better. We have to improve ourselves, and as long as we keep on improving ourselves, eventually results will reflect. I do understand जब शुभमन गिल presentation ceremony में ये कह रहे थे कि भाई 15 days of cricket doesn't reflect, the results doesn't reflect how we have been performing recently. So I understand you lost because it's just the game of test match. There is no like disputed winner. It's clear and obvious. So we know that, but still, it was very close game. It was just 22 runs separating two teams in the third session of the final day. Okay, so this is my assessment. I'm going to throw some random facts which I remember. जसप्रीत बुमराह की वो इनिंग्स जो क्या खेला है वो बंदा, माना एक 54 बॉल्स खेली, जिस बंदे ने 4 डक्स कंसेक्यूटिव डक्स लिए हैं, उसके बाद 54 इनिंग्स, 54 बॉल्स. Oh, well played, well played, Jasprit Bumrah. Right. और हाँ, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात, हमने भले ही ये टेस्ट मैच हार गए हैं, पर हमने इंग्लैंड को पूरी तरीके से अच्छे से चूसा है. बाय विच आई मीन कि जैसे स्टोक्स के जितने सारे ओवर्स गए हैं, इट विल टेक अ मेंटल एंड फिजिकल टोल ऑन हिज हेड, and this will be reflected on the next 2 games, which is Manchester is the next one, and we'll see how he overcomes that, how he recovers, because it is not just a test of just one game, it is a test of a series. I know we have taken a hit on this one, but we'll come back stronger. तो इंडिया ने जल्दी से हथियार नहीं डाल के अच्छा काम किया कि भाई मतलब घिसा है भाई पूरा प्रॉपर, मतलब लास्ट सेशन तक बात गई थी. जडेजा भाई हमेशा एंड में जडेजा ही क्यों रह जाता है भाई. जडेजा की वजह से बहुत रिस्पेक्ट है मुझे अपनी टीम इंडिया की, बट हाउ मैनी बॉल्स ही हैड. Ravindra Jadeja played 181 balls. Oh my god, 181 balls of pretty much all 4 pacers, spinners, everything England had to under their belt to attack India. They used everything. How many balls was just Ben Stokes? So yeah, let's see Ben Stokes can do it again and again, because this time his hard work and toil paid off. He was man of the match, and let's see. England has to earn their victory, which was the most important. We didn't give up easily, and that is the sport. Fight till the end. Result is not under your control, so let's leave it like that. और हाँ, एक और चीज़, मैंने कभी एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा नहीं किया है कोई भी टेस्ट सीरीज में जिसमें भी रेन अफेक्टेड गेम्स ना हुए हो. हर जगह पे बारिश इंग्लैंड में कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग ख़राब कर ही देती है, बट अभी हमें 15 डेज ऑफ प्योर क्रिकेट मिली है, हाई क्वालिटी हाई इंटेंसिटी क्रिकेट मिली है, और मैं बड़ा ग्रेटफुल हूँ और आश्चर्यचकित हूँ कि वाह, बढ़िया टेस्ट क्रिकेट देखने को मिल रही है. इसमें हर बॉल शेयर हो रही है, एकदम प्रॉपर फाइट. अब मैंने शायद जिंक्स कर दिया, मैनचेस्टर में बारिश होगी. Yes, we should just learn from England that just keep fighting, keep doing what you're doing, and the results will come your way. More often than not, if you are a better player, it will reflect on your results. So that's what I believe, and we have to show it. Thank you very much. I'm out. Thank you. I'll see you guys at Manchester.